So good day everyone, I'm Labib and I'm going to discuss how about GPS module, how does it work and how is it useful for us. So why it means what is a GPS module? First let me introduce to it. So a GPS module is mainly used for location tracking of a vehicle or robot or other objects which are in a faraway distance from us, or even using a GPS location and map, Google map, basically we can know our location as well. So for example, you're in a place, you know the location, so someone told you that you are 10 miles away from place A. So by knowing that, you don't exactly know in which direction, in a circular position, in which direction you are from place A, so that doesn't help much. So say another person told you that you are 5 miles away from place B, so that's somehow giving you a bit more help, because the place B in that circular position, the place B circle only crosses the place A circle twice. So yeah, with that you can get some help, but there are still two options with you. So to be very specific, you need another one to help you. I would say someone told that you are 2 miles away from place C, so place the circle of place C will at only one point cross place B circle and also place A circle. So by using these information, so you can know where you are, but this is very tough. So to understand that, the satellite, which is there are a lot of satellites around us in the world now. These satellites, more than 5 satellites, are always moving around you. Obviously, moving around you, the nearest satellite sends radioactive wave to the chip in your mobile or other devices. So by that chip, you can know where your location is by using the Google Maps. So for now, let me tell you how the connection is. So what is the GPS module? GY GPS MV2. So this is not that tough to connect it. It's a very simple connection. So here is the GND. So for GND, I'm obviously using black. So I'm using an Arduino Uno to give power to it and connection for encoding also. So I have done the GND, and then there is the TX. So for TX I'm using green. So this green wire is for TX, which will surely go to the RX of Arduino. Then there's the RX of the GPS module, go to the TX of Arduino. So we can also put some other these wires connection in some other pins of Arduino, but we have to mention that in the code obviously. And so lastly we have the VCC with us. So for the VCC I'm using red, and it is better to use 5 volt as it needs a good amount of energy. So now my connection is ready, except for the code, mostly everything is done. But this thing, you can see this is an antenna which is used for the collecting, for taking the radiation wave from the satellite. So I need to connect it with the GPS right here at this place. So I will connect it, and so this is connected, and now this GPS is completely done, and now just have to upload the codes and this GPS is ready to work. As I've told that this is ready to work, but still there are some problems here. Like if it is connected to the satellites, there should be a blue light blinking here, which is not. So how will it connect to the satellites? So as you can see, I'm now not outside, I'm in the house. So if you're in a room which is not does not have open sky on your head, so yeah, over that place you don't have the satellite connections. Maybe sometimes also if you are outside you don't have satellite connections. So to connect it to the satellites, we need to get outside. So I'm not going to do that, but if you want to connect, you need to go out to satellite and wait for a few moments so that the GPS is connected to the satellites. So this is the code we have here for this GPS here. So for this GPS we have the code. This is a very simple code, though it looks like complex, but it's simple. So firstly, let me introduce to it briefly. So this is we have included the two libraries here, the tiny GPS++ and the software serial. Next, so these are the only two libraries. The next one is the introduction of RX and TX pin in the Arduino. So in the Arduino, the pin 4, digital pin 4 is RX and digital pin 3 is TX. So we can change it, the pins. So next, this is as you can see, this is the queries we have. So this loop might look pretty complicated, but no, this is not, because this is only the queries we want from the GPS. Multiple queries here. You can add more or also cut. Like here you can see the year, month, day, which means you can understand the date, and there are also others like hour, minute, second, etc. So this is the basic code of GPS module. Thank you. You can see now this GPS is the light is blinking blue, so which means it is connected to the satellites now.